This 2024 Keystone Bullet 2870QB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features a Ashland interior, sleeps 10, slide-out, air conditioning, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, oven, skylight, TV antenna, spare tire kit, smoke detector, self-contained, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Bullet 2870QB is 6,350 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.